Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso, unang stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Control. Gusto mo bang yumaman, magkaroon ng magarang sasakyan, makapagpatayo ng magandang bahay, at gusto mong huminto na sa pangangamuhan? Bakit gastos ka ng gastos? Bakit ka bili ng mga bagay na hindi mo kailangan? Bakit mo inuubos yung pera mo sa inuman? Insert TikTok background. Pero kidding aside, my love, true enough, diba? How can you save enough money for that kung kada may pera ka, naka-shopping spree mode on ka? Paano ka makakapundar kung yung pera mo nilalagas mo sa mga bagay na di naman magtatagal? Love, I am not the best financial advisor sa bansa, but one thing I know is you have to equate the value of your money sa pagod mong kitain siya. Maybe if you'll have that mentality na, ay pinaghirapan ko to, ay pinagpagurang ko to, maybe you can control your spendings. Kaya minsan ayaw ko maniwala na third world country tayo o mahirap ang Pinas. Kasi kaliwat kanan may smartphone, kaliwat kanan may nakakapag-post ng OOTD with designer bags. Kahit pa knock-off yan I'm sure it's more than 500 pesos. So if you can afford to buy such things, then maybe hindi ka talaga mahirap, diba? Hindi ka lang marunong mag-control. Like you, I do believe sa power of rewarding yourself every once in a while. Pero those are the key terms. Every once in a while. Hindi every sweldo, hindi every time. Believe me, my love, sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, you need to be smart sa pera. Mas maganda yung simple lang pero may ibubuga kesa naman aurang-aura ka pero puro lang naman porma. Okay? Second stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Control. Anong hashtag? Hashtag te. Hashtag Biyaheng Control. Love, alam niyo, relationship is an unpredictable gift that should be enjoyed, not controlled. May mga couples kasi na for some reason, ang tingin nila sa isa't isa ay project. Someone that needs to be changed, enhanced, or controlled. So instead na na-enjoy niyo yung relationship ninyo as a couple, nagki-keep tabs kayo ng progress ng isa't isa, faults ng isa't isa, flaws ng isa't isa habang magkasama kayo. Love, don't treat your relationship like a project. Hindi nyo kailangan baguhin yung isa't isa para lang maging masaya. You don't need to be sweet so that your partner can love you more. Hindi nyo kailangan maging mas sexy or toned para lang hindi siya mawala sa'yo. You don't have to stay away from your friends dahil lang nagsiselos yung mga jowa ninyo. Drop the need to control each other while in the relationship. Instead, grow together without the intention of changing each other. Let it happen naturally. Let the other have the initiative to make themselves better without you pushing them or forcing them. Tandaan nyo, pag pumasok kayo sa relationship, both of you are and will always be a work in progress. So stop controlling your relationship. Start enjoying it. Okay? Last stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Control ay for those people na nuknuka ng tamad. Tamad hindi dahil gano'n na talaga sila or way of life nila yon, but because they no longer find anything exciting sa mga araw nila. Parang since everything is a routine, nothing excites them anymore. Well, love, ako kasi naniniwala ako sa power of the mind Hindi to yung bola. Yung power of seeing things in a different perspective. Yun yung tinutukoy ko. Like for example, itong sitwasyon natin ngayon, pandemya and work from home. Nung nagta-travel ka to work, it bums you out. Feeling more repetitive yung process and most of the time unhappy ka sa work, mas ginugusto mo na lang sa bahay. Now that work from home became possible, if not mandated, you are longing for the day na babalik na kayo sa office to actually work. Kasi somehow, it gives you a different environment other than the four corners ng bahay ninyo. So you see, it's not the location of what you are doing or what you do or the timing that's boring and repetitive. It's your drive. Yung will mo at perspective mo sa ginagawa mo, yan ang nagdadrag sa'yo. So that you have to fix. Make yourself busy with something else that will make you happy. Walang time? then make one. Kasi if you have time to whine o magreklamo, abay may time ka to do other things that will make you feel useful, productive, and happy. Okay? Tandaan nyo, love, we control our body, not the other way around. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, dire-diretso natin itong usapan natin sa aking socials. You may check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Laika, TikTok, and most of all, Facebook. Ayan, pwede natin itong ituloy sa aking Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas. Kasama nyo pa rin DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto. Klaro, diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Lover Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.